Alright, so right now it's snowing out here. We got a couple inches going on. We're gonna take my truck and that snowboard and we're gonna be doing a little bit of messing around over here. What you got to say to the camera, boy?
Not much. How you guys doing? This is gonna be our first daily vlog, and we're gonna keep doing it for the whole year, I guess. I want you guys to just go ahead and like, subscribe, and go ahead and comment down in the comments and say what we should do and vlog for the whole year.
Yep.
Go ahead.
We need some ideas on what we should vlog about, so if you guys could make some comments at the bottom, let us know what we should do. We're gonna make sure that we get this done and we have fun doing it.
Here, I should take my cigarettes too.
Alright guys, we're gonna fucking do it right now. See my language. Oh shit. Going left. Yeah guys, we don't really know what to do right now. We're just having fun. It's a snow day. Why not? Let's slow down for this little man. Say hi. Hi. Alright guys, so after we get a couple videos in, we can get some of our money up. We're gonna have better cameras to use. Right now we're just using our phones. Freaking Galaxy S6, Samsung, whatever. Yeet yeet. I just want to freaking take him in here and just start spinning around, but he's not used to it yet. Uh-oh. Fuck riding Goofy on a regular board. Going left. Ow! Easy. Pulling it right. You ain't. You got this? Yo, look at this motherfucker. Give me a second. Oops. 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 Is that a Skylar? Is that a Skylar? Oh, you got lucky. Oh. Oh, that was bad. Fuck it. Little Caesars it is, I guess. Damn hungry. Oh, are they really closed? Damn. It ain't even 10 yet. What? Oh, they're closed. That's in Bow. So, we don't know what we're gonna do. What are we doing? Chinese or something? I don't know what to do. I guess Carl's Jr. or something. Damn. Damn. Look at that beauty. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Beautiful 97.
It's 8:30.
Beautiful 97 Ford Ranger. Beautiful. Yeah, yeah. A lot of snow.
This is literally, Blizzard 2017. We really have fucking tractors out here fucking.
2017, huh? New beginning, right? Fudge.
Shit like this is ridiculous, guys.
Lived here my whole life. Never have this much snow ever. Where are we going? We're going to Carl's Jr., right?
Yeah, we're gonna go to Carl's Jr.
For sure. Yeah, this place. Yep. 20 years old and I'm still living here, and this is the most snow we've ever had, honestly. Or not the most snow, but it's like the most snow we've had in a couple of years.
Let's grab that. Let's fucking throw it in the back shop.
Let's just grab that. No, that'd be messed up. No. Start making a little freaking path. Hey, we're thinking about going and getting some shovels and making some snow jumps. Making a couple of videos of jumping them on the snowboard. See how that works out after we get some food.
stars.
Thank you for what can I get for you?
One moment, please.
What are you getting? Chicken stars and fucking French fries.
You getting the what?
The chicken stars and French fries.
The chicken star.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chicken stars.
Can we get chicken stars and French fries? And
Which one?
the chicken star. The chicken star.
A 6-piece or 9-piece?
9-piece.
9-piece, please.
What kind of dipping sauce?
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
And what else?
And then can I get a? Let's see.
You wanted that as a meal or just a sauce?
Yes, a large.
As a meal with a large what?
Regular fry and a large Dr. Pepper.
With a large regular fry and a large Dr. Pepper.
Okay.
And I'll take a double Western bacon. And I'll take the meal. And I'll get regular fries with that. Or wait, no, hold up. I'll get onion rings with that.
You wanted the double Western bacon with onion rings, small, medium, or large?
Large, please.
What's your drink?
Dr. Pepper.
Anything else?
Yeah, instead of the fries, can you make that onion rings?
Yes, I already did that. Anything else?
Okay, no, thank you.
$21.39, thank you.
Thank you. Kind of an asshole, ain't she? Look, dude, I got this in 4-wheel drive, and this is a tight little freaking turn.
Oh god. Curbing it.
Talk about wall tap. So I freaking just got the shovel. It's in the back. We're about to go build some jumps. We're about to do a little bit of messing around. About to move this around a little bit because, oops, that's not gonna work. Give me a sec. Fudge and A. All right, y'all. Just gonna throw that in the back. All right. Dang it, boy. Can't even see me now. What about these warehouses over here, dude?
I don't know.
Should we go and try to get a video over there real quick?
Of what? Snowboarding?
Huh?
Of what?
Donuts, fucking around.
That's it.
A nice little open area. Last thing I want to do is hit one of these curves and fuck up my axle or something.
No.
Well, this might suffice for it, huh?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Breathe up. Catching hella traction. We're gonna take it out of 4. It's not that fucking 2-wheel drive kind of sucks. Speed bump. See what I mean? The 2-wheel drive, it's fighting. It's fighting right now. You want to get out and get a little recording real fast? I'm just going to do a donut or something. yeet. Hey. A little rough on the tranny and shit. Gotta be careful with this motherfucker. Old. Oh, we forgot to unlock my front hub for that dead shot. Oh well. I don't know if that really messes anything up or not.
Let us know down in the comments if your front hub is locked and you're sliding, does it fuck it up? Try and let us know that, please. Probably be helpful.
Probably mess up my stuff. I know for a fact I'll mess up my shit if I go too hard in the 4-wheel.
Yeah.
Well, let's vlog a little bit when we get to our next destination.
Alright guys, we'll catch you when we get to the skate park. We're gonna go fucking make a ramp from the skate park. Go ahead to fucking board real quick. We'll catch you guys when we're there.
Motherfuckers, the skate park. This road is blocked off. This parking lot is blocked off, but there's a freaking Subi over there, and he's just doing whatever the hell he feels like doing in the snow. And we're here to do the same thing. Unlike him, I don't got the balls to go up in there though. They blocked this parking lot off because we had a flood a couple weeks ago, or no, like a week or two ago, and that whole parking lot got flooded by the creek. So there's a bunch of shit and gunk and all that nasty shit everywhere. So I'm gonna grab my trusty shovel here, and he's gonna grab the trusty snowboard, and we're gonna go up, and we're about to freaking hit this shit, right? Hey, you locked the door, right? Yeah. All right. And I'm not too sure what my phone is on. Okay, well, it's on 40%, so hopefully we got plenty of video left before it dies. Yes. Oh yeah, this is nice snow, dude. This is the best snow to freaking do this in right now. Look at this skate park, man. All right. He's gonna do it. Let me make a little jump. Whoa, I gotta pee like a 3-peckered billy goat. Strap him up.
I gotta pee like a fucking 3-peckered billy goat.
I just said that. That's funny.
Oh, it's there, we all said. Haha.
Woo! All right, you going down? He's hitting it. He's a little tiny bowl. Yeet yeet. What would you do if I just picked up some snow from my shovel and threw it at you?
I do this. Please don't do it.
I'm not going to. All right, so here's what we're trying to do. This right here is just one pile of snow. We're gonna build up like a little platform so we can drop down into this. We have more speed coming off of it. And we're gonna make a little jump over there. I don't even know how this is gonna work out, but we're gonna make this happen. Right now, he's taking over. We're just gonna take turns doing this and take turns recording, I guess. Freaking A. It's awesome. Beautiful out here. I don't really like the snow very much, but it's nice out for being cold and snowy. Trusty little snowboard. And this is what we call the drop of hell. Probably make a little fucking ramp that comes right here till we can slide down and hop off of that with. I don't know. I've never freaking grinded a snowboard or anything, so I don't think I'm gonna try it, but screw it. Hey, still working on the starter ramp. Jesus. Gotta make it wider, and then We gotta flatten out some of the snow over here and spread it out a little bit. Figure it out, make it thicker down there. Take some snow from this freaking area. Plenty of snow here to work with. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't slip. Even though that'd be funny as hell. Yeet. Ooh. How's the weather down there?
Hard.
Snowier than up here. Yeah. Look at this thing, dude. This thing is so awesome. Sliding. Little vert wall we got. Got the volcano right here. Got the table with the peanut on it so you can grind. We got the coffin over there. You know, some fucking quarter pipes all around this whole thing. Got another fucking grinding rail. More quarter pipes, you know what I'm saying? More tables. That right there is called the snake's back. Over there we have the snake's head. Freaking A, we got the 9-foot bowl, the 8-foot bowl, the 5-foot bowl, and the 3-foot bowl. It ain't that nice, but it's worth it, and we got a lot of fun coming on this way.
I really hope I got that. Slippy or what? Oh shit. Oh god. Don't run that out. We'll fall. We'll slide off that. Struggling over there. Struggling over there. Oh god, I'm slipping. Alright, here, take this real quick.
You see how I was making a little lip?
You kind of fucked it up.
I didn't even get to finish it. You just fucked it up. Jesus. It's like, wow. It's gonna be way better when we see this. Hey guys, spent a little bit of time on it, not too much though, it didn't work out very well. Not enough speed for this jump, too much slush, freaking too much slush, dude. Like, just watch this shit. Like, it's just slush. Yeah, and so, didn't record any on my phone, but got on his, so hopefully that'll come my way too. See y'all soon.